Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to enable Chrome Password Check for better security. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer or phone. Tap the three dots at the top right and select Settings. This is where all your security and browser controls are located. In the Settings menu, look for the option called Safety Check. On desktop, it appears on the left sidebar. On mobile, scroll down a bit until you see it. Chrome's Safety Check analyzes your passwords, browser updates, and harmful extensions. Now tap on Check Now. Chrome will run a full scan of your saved passwords. It checks for three things: leaked passwords, weak passwords, passwords reused across multiple accounts. If Chrome finds any issues, it will recommend steps to fix them, like changing a compromised password. To stay protected in the future, scroll down to Password Manager inside Chrome Settings. Make sure the option Warn you if passwords are exposed in a data breach is turned on. This ensures Chrome alerts you immediately if one of your passwords becomes unsafe. For extra protection, you can also install the Google Password Manager app. It syncs across all your devices and keeps your password check running automatically. And that's it. Chrome Password Check is now enabled and protecting your accounts.